front high rail, front dozer blade. High rail assembly is bolted into the standard front dozer blade and is operated off of switches in the cab. Those are your articulation lock cylinders for the front of the tractor. Toolbox mounted on the side of the tractor, standard from John Deere. Rear friction drive high rail assembly. Rear stabilizer assembly. Other side of the machine, same as the others, only difference is there is not a toolbox available on this side of the tractor. These are blade edge guard indicators. All they need to be done is flipped over after they reach the job site. Moving to the top of the tractor. Front work light, turn signal. Front cab screen has been installed for when machine is undercutting. Can be removed easily by removing a few bolts. Emergency stop switch located on all four corners of the machine. Cab side and rear engine compartment. Here's your air filters. Your ECU is located back in here. That would be something that your Hitachi Deere dealer would take care of. Batteries are located here. Lockable battery disconnect. Windshield washer fluid. Radiator overflow fluid. All checked and full. These are your coolers for your transmission. You have dual batteries. Doors have a locking assembly for keeping them in an open position. The door and compartment on this side is lockable, and it's lockable with the ignition key. A rear and side handrail have been added to the tractor for safety for service when up on top of it. Additional rear work lights have been added. As well as a rear camera. Rear safety shutoff switch. Warning decals in English and in Spanish. Moving around to the non-cab side of the tractor. Again, safety switch with your turn signals and brake lights. Moving up, there's your handrail for that side of the tractor. Rear compartment door. Located on the door are your service interval charts that are in English and in Spanish. Engine hydraulic oil check, decaled also English and in Spanish. You check the hydraulic oil with the boom all the way stretched out. Currently the boom is not completely stretched out. When checked, it was in the full position. Hydraulic pumps. Standard hydraulic pumps from John Deere are located right here. Additional valving that was added for high rail are located in this compartment right here. Hydraulic tank fuel filter located there. Locking mechanism. Again, this door is lockable with the engine ignition key. Center section is your hydraulic tank. The next section is your fuel tank. Moving around to the front of the tractor, there is another compartment. Starting at the very front of the machine on the non-cab side is a front compartment. This front compartment includes your fuel filters, valving, and additional valving that we've added for the high rail system. All located on the schematics. Moving down, there's your fourth shutoff switch, emergency shutoff switch. Machine is equipped with mirrors on both sides. You have two on the very front, one on the very top. And this hatch is also lockable with the ignition key. Starting at the top of the cab, additional work lights have been added on the front. You have a boom work light. All the hoses and lines to run your undercutter package are located here. On the cab side of the machine, you have your existing auxiliary circuits from Deere, which are located here. For running a different attachments, you'd have to set that up. And then the kit that we've added for running your undercutter high flow and your undercutter rotation. Tractor is equipped with a JRB hydraulic bucket coupler, which is actuated from in the cab. Again, hydraulic lines which have been added. The existing John Deere line. You have your tilt for your undercutter bar is this assembly. You have your case drain here and your second high flow line for your undercutter. Lines continue up the boom to the back.